Activists blamed the floods on forest clearing on Gunung Inas, while local villagers pointed their fingers at the Musang King plantation up the hill.
So we try to use our strengths in different ways and use a teamwork model in order to support each other and to make our work more robust and more effective.
Et on a besoin de trouver des gens sur place et de comprendre davantage ce qu'ils vivent.
Il faut penser justement aux solutions qu'on voudrait apporter aux questions qu'on développe.
Show the complexity, not just have a narrative of good and bad people, of victims and villains. Show how complex the reality it is.
Our work, we try to create a story, to connect, to personalize, to humanize the data, to relate it to people.
RTF has helped us to make that reporting possible because it allows us to spend time talking with the local people. It allows us to visit the reporting site.
Me dio mucha curiosidad de seguir indagando cómo opera la deforestación, pero también conocer más de estas historias en profundidad.